Hi, I'm Mary Beth, and today I'm so excited to share my love of blueberries with you. They're one of the easiest plants to grow, one of the healthiest fruits that you can eat, and they're typically pest-free. I mean, who doesn't love that? I also want to encourage you to consider them ornamental shrubs in the landscape. I mean, just look at this beautiful, lush, blue-green foliage. The Southern Living Plant Collection offers two perfect choices. Bless your heart and takes the cake. These rabbit eye varieties were developed at the University of Georgia, my alma mater, and they're perfect choices for our southern climate. For the biggest berry harvest, you'll want to plant several of each variety. It ensures cross-pollination and maximum fruit production. These early season varieties make a great pair because they bloom at the same time. As a landscape shrub, they provide 3 seasons of interest. Sure, you get this gorgeous gray foliage that I love, but before that it's covered in bell-shaped flowers and then loads of berries. But I also love it for the stunning fall color that ranges from glowing orange to flaming red. In fact, I love it so much, I used it in my fall wedding arrangements. Blueberries are shallow rooted, so you want to avoid disturbing the soil right underneath. It's a good idea to mulch with pine straw, something we obviously have a lot of in the South. Much like azaleas and camellias, they thrive in acidic soil, rich with organic matter. But if you have heavy clay, they look beautiful in large containers as well. Plant several of these and I promise you'll be harvesting by the basketful soon. Enough to share with friends and family. Look for these and other edible harvest varieties from Downhome Harvest, a Southern Living plant collection.